earn $200 monthly just by downloading these 5 apps. Welcome guys to another money-making video. What if there is a way to get control back over your data and make money in the process? In today's video, we are going to be talking about 5 amazing sites or apps where you can make up to hundreds of dollars a month just by doing nothing other than downloading and setting them up to run in the background while you go about your usual daily routine. Does this sound interesting to you? Stick around to discover these sites with us as we list and explain them for you from our least option to our most favorite. But before we get to the video, welcome to Anything Finance, a YouTube channel dedicated to you and your finances. Here, we discuss anything related to making money online. If it's finance, we'll talk about it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever we post similar videos like this. Please like this video and share it with all your friends. And don't be shy to leave a comment for us in the comment section below, cause we'll like to know what you think. Now, let's get to the video. Remember we said we are starting from our least site to our favorite. So the number 5 site on our list is Paycheck. Paycheck is a free app that allows you to make money in exchange for giving it access to your phone's processor when you aren't using it. The app starts to run once you're charging your phone and your Wi-Fi connection is on. This is so that you don't run out of battery. The best part is that it doesn't use any of your data or access any of your private information, which guarantees its security. Paycheck uses your processor to help its customers get their work done. For example, it helps businesses test their websites. It only uses your processor to do legitimate, legal, and ethical business, so you don't need to worry. Paycheck is also limited to Android devices. To start reaping the gain, once you've downloaded the app, you can log in using your Google account, track your profits, and withdraw your earnings once they reach $10 as a PayPal payout or a gift card. If you want to earn more money with this, use the same Google account to download Paycheck onto your other phones in order to increase your profits. Up to 5 devices may be connected to a single account. As long as the phone is plugged in and linked to Wi-Fi, you will continue to make money. Number 4 is Keli. Keli is not particularly well known. According to Keli, businesses earn greatly from the data you provide on a daily basis. They therefore want you to be in charge of the data you possess and make money by completing simple tasks inside the app. When it comes to how your data is used and who receives it, Keli gives you total control. While many companies make a full profit off of your data, Keli gives you a share of the action. Your task is easy. You can earn passive income by downloading the Keli app, filling out your profile, and specifying your criteria. They will handle the rest. Every Friday, Keli gives out points that can be exchanged for prizes. Be prepared to make about $10 per week. However, you might make more money the more data you offer. You can earn passive income with this app in a variety of ways, including through shopping, location, and profile incentives. Participate in surveys or recommend friends to boost your profits. Keli can be used without concern. It guarantees that all personal data will be kept private and that only data that has been authorized for purchase will really be bought. Number 3 is Money SMS. Money SMS is a simple app that rewards you for receiving text messages. The platform starts sending you text messages as soon as you install the app and are online. Nothing further needs to be done. I mean, you earn money with the app passively, without any active actions required from your side. Money SMS only work in Android devices. Through these text messages, Money SMS enables mobile network operators and telecom providers to guarantee the proper delivery of their SMS. You receive payment via the app in the form of Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, or PayPal for each text message sent. And if you're worried about security, just know this: Money SMS does not read any of your private messages or use any other data. They can access only their own test SMS. With Money SMS you make 2 cents per message. Number 2, our second most favorite site is Honeygain. Honeygain is just like the applications that allow you to rent out your unwanted stuffs. You can use Honeygain to rent out your unused internet bandwidth or data for market research. I know that some of us don't usually use up their data in a month, so you end up sharing to your friends, or you might even forget to roll over unused data at the end of your subscription plan, losing money in the process. So it is better to rent it out and make money using Honeygain. Honeygain is a simple way to make money. Once you've downloaded the application and registered using a legitimate email address, your work is done. Every time your device connects to the internet, the Honeygain network will as well. The amount of money you can make with Honeygain varies. Typically, you can make up to $50 every month if you run it round the clock, 24 hours a day, every day of the week. However, you can refer your friends and family to increase your chances of earning more money. To calculate your potential revenue, use the Honeygain website's online calculator. And now, our number 1 site, our very own favorite site for earning passively on this list is IP Royal Pawns. IP Royal Pawns app is just like Honeygain, but it offers you more money. IP Royal Pawns enables anyone to earn money by sharing their internet connection or their internet bandwidth. All you have to do to get started is set up a free account and download and install the app. While using your data, you can share with IP Royal Pawns to make sure no megabyte goes wasted. IP Royal uses this data to help businesses and individuals around the globe access internet without restrictions and limitations. In other words, it's essentially the same as allowing a visitor to use your Wi-Fi. We love IP Royal Pawns because it pays so much more than other data sharing apps. With IP Royal Pawns you stand a chance of making $132 per month just for doing nothing. So guys, let us know in the comment section if you'll be trying out any of these apps. If you'd like a full tutorial on IP Royal Pawns, check out this video link showing right up here. Remember, you could always double up your earnings on these platforms with their referral programs by recommending the apps to your friends and families. I want you to know that you can't make good money with these methods, neither can you make these your regular source of income. These only serve as side hustles for you. But if you really want to learn online jobs that you can do as main source of income, then you should check out this video. And that's it for now guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share this video with anyone you know, friends, foes or even frenemy. Please just share this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.